Wow! I got my Adidas Torsions over a year ago. The reason I got them is because they glow in the dark. Yeah, I am no longer a child, but I thought they looked dope. Anyway, so throughout the time I have worn them, they've gotten rather dirty. The treads are still in fair condition and I wanted them to return to their luster. I tried all the DIY routes but none worked, so I decided to get a shoe cleaning kit. After poking around, I saw some which were a couple bucks cheaper but decided on Markk because of its rave reviews. Let me tell you, this was the right choice. It might be hard to make out in the pictures, but take a look-see at the before and afters. This was after scrubbing each shoe for about 5 minutes. In all, I used about 1/3 of the bottle, so don't worry about running out. It is such a difference and did not damage the phosphorescence, which is the chemical that controls the glowing. I highly recommend this product! Exclamation mark. I am very impressed with this shoe cleaner. It made my old dirty shoes super white again. It did not take very much product for the shoes either. I'm so surprised with how well this worked. Makes dirty shoes look brand new. This smells amazing and works great. Sneaker on the left is after cleaning, sneaker on the right is before. My white mesh sneakers look brand new, highly recommended. The brush was not harsh on the cloth mesh material. These are the new $200 Beyoncé Ivy Park Adidas sneakers and I trusted this cleaning product to work and it delivered, worked perfectly. Works great and easy to use. This was great and cleaned a very stained shoe. Definitely will be buying again. This stuff was able to get out dirt and stains from years ago. Works on all surfaces and does not stain. I've used it on everything from canvas to suede to synthetics. Everything from sneakers to Louis Vuittons. Works on shoelaces too. As long as you follow the instructions on the bag, it's like using magic. I also used it to clean the inside of my purses. I don't ever give 5 stars, but this product deserves 6. The blue shoe in my picture was covered in mud. In 5 minutes or less I had it back to shiny. I cleaned 7 pairs of shoes and used less than 1/4 of the bottle. Click link in description for more reviews.